Hello everyone and happy Friday. Welcome to Maker Notes. My name is Kyle and today we're going to talk about a wonderful yarn from Haiku. This one here, this is called Highland Lux. This is color 4109 Ember, and Highland Lux is a wonderful yarn. This is 90% Andean Highland wool and 10% kid mohair. Comes in these 100 gram balls, so they're ready to start working with right away. 273 yards in one of these balls. And this color paired with this one here, which is Sugar Plum, are what we used, or what I used, to create this hat. So the hat pattern is what we are going to promote and offer as a bit of an incentive through the weekend. So now through Sunday, if you buy 2 or more balls of Highland Lux, whatever 2 colors you want or whatever combination, we're going to gift you this hat pattern. The hat itself, it's color work, obviously, very simple color works. This is great if you're newer to working with 2 colors in a round or a row. It's worked in the round, of course, using charts, so it's a really great one to reinforce that knowledge of how to work charts. And the pattern itself is pretty simple, so it's also really easy to see if something went sideways, a few stitches away. So this is what it looks like on the outside using those 2 color combos, or those 2 colors as a combo. And then on the inside, that's what it looks like. So when you keep those 2 yarns in the same order throughout the full project, all those little floats stay in the same place, location all the way around the piece. So it's pretty cool. Looks great on the inside as well. And with 2 balls of Highland Lux, you might have enough yarn to make 2 different hats if you switched the main color and contrasting color. And in this case, the darker color, this one here, the Sugar Plum, would have been what we call the main color because we used more of it here. The ribbing is the main color in this case. So that is Highland Lux. There's 2 of the colors. I'm going to show you some others, maybe just a couple made up color combinations as well. This is Faded Denim. It's color 4105. And if you wanted to do a blue zig hat, you could pair it with Ocean 4110. That'd be a really fun combination as well, just blue and blue. Or if you wanted something that was sort of fun and gold-ish, you could do 4101 charcoal with, what are you, amber, 4114 amber, and do a gold and a charcoal color combo. Or perhaps something a little bit wintry and you use 4112, which is natural, and pair it with Seafoam 4115. That'd make a really nice subtle zig hat as well. But how are we doing the zig hat? How do we get you that pattern? Well, when you buy 2 or more balls of the yarn, like I said, now through Sunday, if you tell us your Ravelry name, then we go onto Ravelry and we purchase the pattern for me, for you. So tell us your Ravelry name, and then when the purchase is made, the pattern gets put into your library as well, which is really cool. Then you have it. If you don't have Ravelry or you don't use it, that's fine too. Then it goes from Ravelry, it gets sent to you as a link, and then you can download it and save it wherever you save all of your digital patterns. We print a copy, of course. We'll put it in a page protector. We'll send it along with your Highland Lux and whatever else you've bought. So when you get your shipment, you have your yarn, you have your pattern, and you're pretty much ready to go. You need, of course, needles, and you need time. Time isn't included, but that is the deal. So 2 or more balls of Highland Lux now through Sunday get the zig beanie pattern for free. And the pattern itself, it comes in 2 different sizes. One, of course, a little bit smaller, so for teens or an adult size. So that is the pattern, that is the deal, that's pretty exciting. Other things in the newsletter, what else is in there? I've got a bunch of stuff in this box down here. It's a moth. We have the moth bag. So this is the wanted, sort of styled to look like an old Western sort of wanted poster, like the Jesse James and all of that. And there is a very scary moth, so don't be afraid. It's just printed on the fabric. And then on the back, using graphics inspired by those old West wanted posters, we did a little bit of silliness about trying to get rid of those evil, terrible wool moths for crimes against wool. It's of course got this black zipper. This is a smaller project bag. It'd be a good one to use to hold your notions or a smaller project like a hat. We designed, printed, and sewed these here in our studio, which is kind of cool. So if you'd like to grab a wool moth project bag, you can do that. And then what else is in here? Oh, something from Mary Jane. We have a fun Project Buck. We're talking about Fair Isle, sort of stranded stuff. Mary Jane Mucklestone is one of the leading experts in stranded knitting and in Fair Isle, and she's just an awesome human as well. Hello, Mary Jane. She's come and taught here with us a few months ago, a little while ago. But there's a lot of really great patterns in this book. So if you're interested in creating a patterned hat, you could take the sort of recipe of the hat from my Zig beanie and pop some of these fun motifs in there if you'd like as well. So this book, 200 different little motifs would be a great one to consider if you'd like to do a little bit of designing and customizing on your own. So that's a good thing to think about. And then let's talk about events and classes and stuff. So one thing I will say for local folks, if you were planning on coming in, the trunk show unfortunately is canceled for this weekend. So while we were hoping to be open on Saturday, we will not be open. We're going to reschedule that event for a future date. So stay tuned for that. And then classes that are coming up. Wednesday, the 24th of September. This is from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. So 9 a.m. to noon. Reading crochet charts and patterns with Elena. That's going to be a fun one for people who want to up their chart reading game when it comes to crochet. That is a great, great class. Elena is a wonderful instructor. These classes are smaller in size. So if you'd like to come hang out with us for a few hours and learn how to read those charts, that is a great one to consider. And then there's another one with Nikki, and Nikki is going to teach us how to crochet a pumpkin. So if you would like to make some little crochet pumpkins, you could totally do that. That is October the 1st. That's a Wednesday from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Materials and things, I think those are all included as well. All the details, of course, are on our website, makersmercantile.com, which brings me to, are you just seeing these videos on YouTube? Maybe you are getting links and